Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos in Google Photos. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to do it on a computer, okay, but the steps are similar when using a mobile device. So let's go ahead over to Google Photos. And then in here, just go ahead and go to the left panel. All right. And then you'll find, scroll down, you'll find trash. So just go ahead and click on trash. And then it says here, items in trash will be permanently deleted after 60 days. Now, photos backed up to your Google account stay in the trash for 60 days before permanently deleted. Okay. And photos deleted from a device running Android 11 or higher and not backed up stays in the trash for 30 days only. All right. So if you want to recover these photos, all you got to do is just click on the check marks, click, and then restore instead of clicking on delete. So restore it, restore. And if it's been past, okay, 60 days, unfortunately, you won't be able to recover it. Now, maybe you've just saved it on your archive. Click on archive right here. Maybe the photos has been sitting around here as well. So that is how you recover deleted photos in Google Photos. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.